and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Keybox Blue. This puzzle was designed and made by Keybox Puzzles from Switzerland. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 6 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to find the hidden token. The Keybox Blue is a sequential discovery puzzle box. That means that you will find some tools while solving the puzzle that will help you to solve the puzzle. The Keybox Blue is a small but fun puzzle, and it is one of the best puzzles for beginners, and even experienced puzzlers will have a lot of fun solving the Keybox Blue. But if you are an experienced puzzler and you're looking for something interesting for your non-puzzling friends, something that they can solve and they will definitely solve it, choose the Keybox Blue, since it is not extremely difficult, but it has a lot of interesting tricks that people can find while solving the puzzle, and satisfaction guaranteed. It is a great puzzle, and Keybox Puzzles know how to design great puzzles. It is not the first one, it is the third puzzle, and they're already working on their next designs. If you like the Keybox Blue and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the Keybox Blue. As you can see, there is a lid here that moves, but you can't remove it yet. Now we will take a closer look at these 4 buttons. If you push on 3 of them, nothing happens, but if you push on this one, you will see that it is spring-loaded. So what you have to do is to push on this, remove this a little bit, then you rotate the box and remove this part all the way out. But that's not all, since you can unscrew the head of this bolt and put this part aside, since we're gonna need it a little bit later. Now we can deal with the lid, move it up, right, down, and to the left, and now we can remove it. The lid was blocked by this tiny pin that was released when we removed this part, and then we were able to move the lid, and it says always keep playing here. Now, as you can see, there is some kind of a screw here, so we can put this head of the blue piece and put it all the way in. There is a thread, so you rotate it all the way to the right and keep rotating until you will be able to remove this part. It has 2 threads, one here, another here, and one is right-handed, another is left-handed thread. So you just move it all the way to the right until you remove this part. And here you will find that we can use this part to put it to this opening, but nothing happens. You can see that this part is moving a little bit, and there is a blue part inside, which is a token that you have to remove in order to solve the puzzle, but nothing happens. But when you push it, this part moves a little bit as well. That means that we have to remove this piece, but it is held by 2 pins. And what you do when you know that there are pins inside, you spin the puzzle, you hit it, but nothing happens, since these pins, they are quite tricky. All we have to do is to flip the puzzle upside down, and then you can remove this part. It is that easy, since there are 2 pins inside, you can see them, and they are not like a straight pins, they are facing down a little bit. That means that when the puzzle is in a regular position, they are always locking this part. If you spin it, nothing happens. If you hit it, nothing happens. But if you flip the puzzle upside down, the pins will be facing the other direction, and they will just drop out, and you can easily remove this part. As you can see, there are cutouts here that are also angled. There are places where the pins go. And now you can push this part, remove this small compartment, and reveal a small token, and the puzzle is solved. And that is the solution of the Keybox Blue. Great puzzle. As you can see, not too difficult, but very fun. A lot of tools, a lot of interesting details. Now we have to assemble everything back. Put the token inside, put this part in. Now put this white piece inside, but to put it all the way in, you have to flip it upside down so that the pins will go down. Now put this white piece in. Put this part inside and rotate it all the way to the left until you will be able to remove just the blue part. Now grab the lid, put it here, right, up, left, down. Now you put this part inside all the way, and don't forget to put this head of the bolt right here. And now we just have to push here, put this part inside, and that's it. The Keybox Blue is all locked and ready to be solved again. Isn't it a beautiful and fun puzzle to solve? Even though some tricks are not as difficult, but it is still very fun little puzzle. If you like the Keybox Blue and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Keybox Puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.